New from Casabella is a line of tools adjustable to any size, whatever your height. The right height for you is directly below your chin. Simply open the grip, slide to the right height, and close. The pole is now locked into place at just the right size for you. Our butterfly floor duster is the perfect tool for wood floors. The microfiber head attracts dust and debris and holds on like a magnet. The swivel head allows you to get around furniture and reach all angles. Then simply slide down the head to create the butterfly folded tool. This action allows you to use the folded head to clean chair rungs, moldings, stair treads, risers, and those hard-to-clean balusters. To preserve the beauty of wood floors, you should damp mop every day. Simply unsnap the duster and snap on the mop head. Microfiber can clean without chemicals, so damp mopping is easy and fast and keeps your floors free of the dirt and debris that can scratch and harm the wood floors. The microfiber duster pivots to reach all angles. Simply press the button and push to lock in place. The height adjustable feature lets you reach the highest places of your home, from lighting fixtures to ceiling fans, drapery rods, and high shelves. Best of all, the tiny microfiber filaments attract and hold dust so you can clean your most delicate items. The duster head is also removable to use as a hand duster. To store, simply push the button and fold the duster head to lock in place. Cleaning has never been easier or more comfortable than with the Casabella Height Adjustable Collection.